one or trying out the ISO way. I'm gonna do this for a week and we see how. I'm not gonna be very rigid with my food, but I'm gonna try to eat slightly healthier than normal. Don't even know what does that mean, but anyway. What is kneeling plank? Full plank with arm row. What the world is that? What if I got no dumbbell? This is what I'm trying to say, that this book doesn't give you much information. Like a lot of it you have to go and Google it and find out yourself. Like what the hell is full plank with arm row? I have no idea. See, all of this using a dumbbell. I do not have a dumbbell. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Now I have another step that I have no idea what does it mean. Step up. What do you mean by step up? How is it step up? Okay. Oh shit, these are not warm up. Oh god. They say that they have a functional warm up which is demonstrated in our exercise media library along with exercise that follow your warm up. I don't know where's the media library. Oh wait, shit, that's actually 3 to 4 times. Flash. I thought it's like 1 time and then after that I go to the gym or something like that. This is so high. Isn't this like dangerous? KFC? Yeah. So fun! Okay, so I've done that body weight metabolic circuit for 3 rounds already. After every set you take a 2-minute break-ish. I didn't know that until just now. So I'm having 2 minutes break and then after that apparently I have to do the core conditioning exercise which is planking and other stuff. Let's do Cobra. What is Cobra prone hold? I assume it's this. Oh my god, you gotta hold for 30 seconds, mati. Enough with me.
So funny, right?
It is like that, ma.
Ready?
Magdalena.
That one is tomato, you can have it.
Yay! Done!
Good job.
For today, done.
Relax.
This is what our shape feels like.
Yeah.
Exercise for the day one. That was so tiring. Look at having KFC.
KFC. I go gym.
Yeah, he did. Alright, so I'm gonna make my protein shake with almond milk because I tried it with water. It's actually not the best. I packed my protein shake this morning. I thought I'm gonna drink it outside, but I ended up having som tam as my like lunch kind of thing. And I choose to have food for lunch basically instead of the nighttime. And I don't think I really follow much of the booklet of what they suggest you to eat because first of all there's no recipe, so I don't know how to cook all those things, although it should be as simple as stir fry it. So what I'm gonna do is just I'm gonna eat healthier as compared to my normal days basically. So instead of having KFC, I guess I'll have salad basically. It's new and I just want to try something in a smaller packet first to see if I actually like those almond milk, because in general, from what my previous experience is that I don't really enjoy almond milk. It smells pretty good. Put my protein powder that I packed earlier today into the shake. It tastes really good with the almond milk. Surprisingly, it's quite nice with the almond milk. I'm just gonna have some kacang pura, basically chickpeas. Day 2 2 of trying out the whole ISO whey program. Today was definitely not one of those days where I followed program because I had 2 meals today. I had lunch and somewhat of an early dinner, but both of them I really had like small meals. I was out with my parents, so that's why I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna eat today. I'm not gonna be like super, no, I'm on diet kind of thing. I'm not gonna be able to eat anything kind of thing. Which actually the first week you're supposed to have like 2 protein shake a day kind of thing, but I mean yesterday I didn't follow. Today I had like some yong tau fu. I don't know, you go and Google out what is yong tau fu. I also had just some simple dinner, which is basically some vegetables and a fried fish. Basically my mom kind of cooked like some simple home cooked dinner, so I thought I'd eat a little bit as well. Second day is supposed to be like a HIIT kind of gym. Basically it's a high intensity kind of gym. 500 meters then rest, 500 meters then rest, 500 meters then rest, but I couldn't do it. That really shows how unfit I am. It's either I'm unfit, which I think I am, or that whole program is just really hard. Surprisingly, before gym I was already feeling a little bit hungry. I'm not gonna eat anything other than just a protein shake, and I'm actually craving for the protein shake. Oh, this tastes just like chocolate milk. It's not even chocolate almond milk. I think I might just prefer almond milk on its own rather than almond chocolate milk. If it's like this, I'd rather have chocolate milk. So this is meal of the day. Obviously I'm not finishing this all up myself. I'm actually sharing it with Dexter, but I'm kind of craving for a little bit of like rice and like some really savory food, I guess, in a way. It's already about 6-7 o'clock. I haven't really had my shake yet the entire day. I only had my chickpeas and a cup of coffee in it this morning. So this is pretty much the meal of the day. Thank you for cooking.
Welcome.
Thank you for all the ingredients, Mom. I mean, my mother.
Yeah.
Literally all the ingredients is hers.
Yeah. Free food.
Free food. Woohoo! Exercise time. 12 a.m. in the morning. Obviously doing a mask video right now. Day 3, I haven't actually taken my shake, and at first I thought I want to take my shake after my exercise. I actually did 3 sets of the exercise, okay? Just that my camera died, so I just didn't continue recording it. I'm hungry, a little bit hungry right now, but I think I can wait till tomorrow, so it's not necessary for me to have something right now. So I think I'm just gonna screw it and not have my protein shake today, and I'm probably just gonna have protein shake tomorrow. Yeah, so that's the plan. I don't know if I regret it or not, because usually after exercise whole body is gonna ache, and personally my body haven't really healed fully from the past 2 days of exercising. Some parts of my body still hurts. Yeah, see you guys in day 4.
My food.
I sharing.
No.
Yes. What's up, guys? Alright, so I've done my workout for today. I had my lunch earlier on. I had char siu and wonton mee. I shared it with Dexter lah, okay? So I didn't eat a lot. I just ate a little bit. If you don't believe me, ask Dexter. Dexter's coming.
She eat rice,
Don't.
wonton mee, and chicken char siu. Thank
You
very
don't.
much. Bye.
Don't lie. I ate a bit only. I ate just a little bit of wonton mee. I just basically steal food from Dexter, which is something that he doesn't like at all. Anyway, I decided to go out and eat lunch also because we needed to refill and stock up on our milk. ISO whey protein shake, as I mentioned to you earlier on, that it's really not that great on its own. It's not good, not even good lah, okay? Not good with just water itself, so it really needs to be mixed with either milk or some other alternative. For dinner-ish, I will be having my chickpeas again. I've been having chickpeas for the past few days already. This is low fat, high calcium milk. There's extra calcium and protein, and I don't know, I don't get it. Anyway, this is fresh, kind of fresh milk. I don't know. Don't think it's fresh milk lah. 200 ml. What are you doing?
Can share?
You want share?
Can ah?
Can. Share then I pour 400 lah.
So much.
Then I put 2 scoop in there. It's actually only 200 per person.
No more milk.
Got lah. Can I put in the fridge, please? Thank you. Rip no more milk. 1 serving. One more. Would you like to do the honor of shaking? Can you turn it properly? And then shake. Dia beri. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Shake the butter lah, not shake your body lah.
Shake booty ma.
Shake booty, but also must shake butter ma. You shake body only, this one never
See
shake.
this video? I half hate me.
You should come here a bit lah. That's the whole point, make you look skinnier lah. Shake it.
Let's get your heart rate up.
Who?
I
I don't know what you're talking about.
also don't know.
I also don't know. Anyway.
Think it should be okay?
Yeah, man. So fast ah.
Yes.
I should shake very long one, you know.
Yes ah.
Because I like to
Shake
shake.
longer lah.
Shake. Okay, enough.
Siapo. I think it's better with milk. Maybe because you put 2 scoops now for the both of us.
But there's 400.
Yeah, true.
It's really nice with oat milk, no doubt. Hey, stop shaking in my video lah. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna have my kacang kuda. We finished early, we're gonna chill. Woo, I'm gonna sit down and play games some more. Okay, bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe!